Hi everyone, I'd just like to introduce you to one of our favourite products from our exclusive bathroom company that we buy from Italy, Rexa. A fantastic company, offer a whole range of bathroom products, baths, basins, furniture, tapware, everything. But one of our favourite products they do is the Petite Basin. It's a fantastically small cloakroom basin. It hides all the waste and the bottle trap and everything, all in this small package. There's enough room in there to wash your hands, so it's fantastic for a cloakroom. It can be a wall-mounted brassware, or it can have a deck-mounted on this platform just here. What's really cool about it as well is that they offer these fantastic accessories that look like a soap holder here. There's a little hook that hangs onto that where you can hang towels. There's this little accessory here that can hook on and off, where you can keep things like toothbrushes and makeup pads or whatever you want in it. Yeah, and we really love it. It's available in 5 different colours. It's left or right-handed. Yeah, and we think it's, a fantastic product. Sells really, really well. It's available at daytruehome at daytruehome.com, or of course we can incorporate it into a design for you.